Whew, that's very bad. Welcome back, everyone. Why are we here? Well, we're here because of that car over there, which is 1 litre EcoBoost. Initial diagnosis was cylinder 2 or cylinder 3 had a blown head gasket, or even worse, a cracked cylinder head. Either way, we're going to strip that engine down and enjoy the video. Very sweet and fragrant. You don't want to smell that on your car. Well, the damage is done, so let's get up. Okay. Whoo! The smell of that thing, it's unreal. Crazy thing is that engine was... What's going on here? Clearly somebody tried to obviously start up the car, and it was waterlocked because there was a water intrusion going into the cylinders, particularly on the cylinder 2 as I did the bore scope the engine. No coolant whatsoever. We top it up and it's already gone. Oh, you don't want to smell exhaust fumes through the coolant reservoir. No need to test the head gasket failure, you can definitely smell it. That doesn't look bad, which means we definitely have intrusion going into the cylinder combustion chamber. Let's get on to it now. Start stripping down the things from the top and then going around the bottom. Take the serpentine belt. Very tight to work on these engines. You can still work on them with the 10mm. I'm gonna start up with this. Just start unplugging all the stuff you see here. It needs to be unplugged so you gain better access to the engine. Just unclip. Out. Charge the battery. Yeah. Ooh, look at that injector here. That's never a good sign. A lot of oil on that tip. Would you look at that? We are getting there. Tear down all the coolant passages, all the coolant thermostats, the vacuum pump for the fuel itself. The only thing stopping me to finishing up this job, it's another job away, which I need to get it done. It's a one service, one diagnosis, and then I'll be probably back here tomorrow. And the only thing keeping this channel growing, it's you. So like and subscribe if you want to see the next video following up on this car.